The Ovos V6003 classic design lever handle is the original handle in the range. Specified by many leading designers, it has been used in hundreds of housing and light commercial developments. It can be supplied with EXT foam rubber grip which satisfies UK disability legislation and is warm to the touch. The V6003 can be fitted chunky or slim by reversing the installation. Ovos handles are designed to be both attractive and ergonomic. The finish shown is in satin stainless steel. Other finishes are to order.